Hey there, Bob Deeks from RDC Fine Homes. I'm up here in Emerald Estates in Whistler, British Columbia at our paneled project. Day 3.5. Third floor walls and some of the roof beams are now in place. Guys are on track to get the roof panels on tomorrow. Shout out to Black Tusk Cranes for doing all the heavy lifting here on this site. And of course BASF for our HP Plus XR wall system here that gives us all our thermal performance, and of course Airtight Solutions for the Aerobarrier airtight system, and EuroLine Windows. Those three partners are what will help us achieve our BC Energy Step Code 4 level, which is what we're targeting here. So stay tuned. I'll have another update late tomorrow, and we'll see the roof in place. Stay tuned. Only 3 walls left to go here on early Friday afternoon, so getting close to being ready to put our 4 roof panels on. Stay tuned and we'll do an update video in a couple hours. Here we go for posterity's sake. Last wall on our RDC's very first panelized project, going in here midday on Friday afternoon. Looking forward to getting the last 2 beams and roof panels in here shortly. Great job by the RDC team and panelizing the whole project on this 3-story 1,800 square foot house, and everything fit like a glove.